Most kids' toys are exciting for one day, then they're forgotten. This gift turned out very different. On my son's birthday, he thought this box had a walking, talking astronaut inside. But once we opened it, I realized this isn't a toy. It's something kids enjoy and adults actually like keeping at home. If you only want to see how it looks when turned on, skip to the last quarter. Before that, let's quickly unbox it. Inside, we get astronaut projector, Type-C charging cable, creator style stand, remote control, instruction manual. The remote doesn't come with a battery. The manual clearly explains the buttons. The creator stand looks good and feels soft and well finished. Now, the main piece. The astronaut looks well designed. Big head, compact body. Arms move, legs are fixed and slot into the stand. It wobbles slightly, so placement matters. The plastic on the visor cover comes off and the head is magnetic. You can tilt it up, down or sideways to aim the projection. On the back, there are 3 buttons, 1 power button, 2 control buttons. Charging port is Type-C. Important note, this uses a laser. Don't let kids look into it directly. I plugged it in and pressed the power button, and instantly the room filled with stars and nebula clouds. This is Projector and the spread is wider than expected. Kids loved it immediately. There are 2 light sources, nebula lighting, laser stars. The laser is strong, so keep it out of reach of small kids. Point it at the ceiling and the whole room changes. The remote didn't work properly for me, but the buttons on the astronaut do enough. You can change nebula colors, switch between blue, pink, purple and green. And the other button you can adjust the star brightness. Simple and effective. This works best in kids' bedrooms, living room corners, meditation or relaxation spaces. You just need a power source and a clear wall or ceiling. It's available on Amazon for around ₹700. For the price, it's impressive. Not just a toy, more like mood lighting with character. Buy it if you want a unique gift, calm room lighting, something kids and adults both enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more simple, honest unboxings.